Welcome to our channel. If your Roku remote has a blinking light and isn't working properly, follow these troubleshooting steps to pair it with your device and restore functionality. Step 1. Check the batteries in your remote first. Remove the battery cover and ensure the batteries are properly installed with correct polarity and have sufficient charge remaining. Step 2. If the light is blinking rapidly, the remote is in pairing mode. If it's not pairing automatically, you'll need to manually initiate the pairing process with your Roku device. Step 3. Locate the pairing button on your Roku remote. For most remotes, this button is inside the battery compartment. For stick remotes, it's usually on the side or back of the device. Step 4. Ensure your Roku device is powered on and displaying the home screen on your TV. The device must be fully booted before you can successfully pair a remote to it. Step 5. Press and hold the pairing button inside the battery compartment for at least 3 seconds. The remote's light should start blinking to indicate it's actively searching for your Roku device. Step 6. Wait 30 seconds for the pairing process to complete. Your Roku will display a message on the TV screen confirming when the remote has been successfully paired with the device. Step 7. Test the remote by pressing various buttons to ensure all functions work correctly. If the remote still doesn't respond, try replacing the batteries with fresh ones and repeating the pairing process. Step 8. If pairing continues to fail, restart your Roku by unplugging it for 10 seconds, then plugging it back in and attempting the pairing process again once the device fully boots. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.